I feel very excited and I feel very happy. This is the first time for me to be here, and I gain a lot of knowledge. I gain a lot of history, and I gain a lot of things about the art culture that you have here. Is a good thing for people in a new generation to do, because the new generation of Tibetan, they are clever to do. They can do in order to protect their old heritage and old art culture, for more people to know what's the root of Tibet, what's the origin of Tibet.